Hello and welcome to this Datera technical video. In this video we're going to discuss provisioning storage. Datera has a number of different ways we can provision storage. Through our API, through the user interface as shown here. We also have ecosystem plugins such as VMware, OpenStack, CloudStack, and the container frameworks, all to make provisioning simple. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through a quick provisioning demonstration. First we're going to call it My App. Next, we choose which tenant. So in this case, I'll select my test tenant here. We provide access control. Which host is going to be reading this volume? Next, we can choose the authentication type. We can also choose what network the data should be presented on. In this case, we'll choose the default network. We enter a size, say 100 gigabytes. And then we choose a replica factor. Datera is a scale-out distributed system, and this determines how many copies are made. Unlike other systems, the Datera system can support between 1 and 5 replicas, and each volume can have its own. So here we'll make another volume that's 50 gigabytes in size. Next, we can set up a snapshot schedule. For this particular volume, we'll say 5 hours. For our other volume, we'll leave no snapshots. For other volume, we can also enable quality of service. So this would be total IOPS, and broken out into reads and writes. So if we wanted to present something like a hard drive, we could do 120 IOPS and say 120 megabytes per second. The last item is unique to Datera in that we can choose how we're going to be presenting the storage in the system. It can be either a hybrid placement, a one replica flash placement, or an all replica flash placement. Go back to the number of copies, in this case 2 copies. If I choose all flash, both copies will be placed onto flash media. For this other volume, we can choose to place it on hybrid or 1 copy flash. What's very powerful about the Datera system is we can move those replica copies with a simple command. So let's go ahead and provision the storage. So now my app is successfully provisioned. We're looking at the overview page. Here we can see that we have IP addresses assigned, our target IQN, the exported storage node. You can see which nodes this data is assigned to here. And if we click on our other application, we can get the details for this one. Notice that this is all flash and the other one was hybrid. If I wanted to change this placement policy, all we have to do is press the edit button at the top of the screen. Scroll down here, choose 1 replica flash, press the save button. That's it. We've now migrated that storage instance and that volume from 3 replica copies on hybrid to 2 replica copies on hybrid and 1 replica copy on flash. Of course, it does take a few minutes for the data to move or the provisioning to be done, but that's our demo. Thank you very much. Have a great day.